Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice Olympiad question. X power 4 minus 15x plus 14 is equal to 0 and we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. First of all, adding 1 on both sides. So x power 4 minus 15x plus 14, here add 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 by adding 1 on both sides. Now x power 4 minus 15x, here 14 plus 1 we get 15 is equal to 1. Now move this 1 from right hand side to left hand side and we get x power 4 minus 1 minus 15x plus 15 is equal to 0. We can write this equation as x power 4, we can write this as x squared because we know that when let a power mn is equal to a power m to the power n. So here 2 multiplied by 2 we get 4 minus 1. We know that 1 squared is equal to 1, so we can write this one as 1 squared. And by taking negative 15 common from these two terms, negative 15 and inside the bracket x, here minus we have taken it common, and inside x minus 15, 1 is 15 is equal to 0. Now by using an algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We can apply this identity in this. Here a is x squared and b is 1. So in the place of x squared whole squared minus 1 squared, we will use this identity x squared plus 1 and x squared minus 1 with minus 15 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Further, we can write this one as 1 squared, and by using this algebraic identity again, a squared minus b squared. So here x squared plus 1, and in the place of this we can write this as x plus 1 into x minus 1 minus 15 into x minus 1. This is equal to 0. Now we can take common x minus 1 from left hand side, x minus 1, and inside the bracket x squared plus 1 and this x plus 1 with negative 15, and this is we have taken it common, is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 and this we will multiply x squared multiply by x, we get x cube, x squared multiply by 1 we get x squared, and now 1 multiply by x we get x, and 1 multiply by 1 we get 1 minus 15 is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 into x cube plus x squared plus x plus 1 minus 15 we get minus 14, this is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule we get x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x cube plus x squared plus x minus 14 is equal to 0. From this x minus 1 is equal to 0 we get x is equal to 1, and we are interested to find x, so we can say this is x1. This is the first solution. We have found x1 is equal to 1, and the another solutions we are going to find from this equation. Now x cube plus x squared plus x, in the place of negative 14 we will write this as negative 8 plus negative 4 plus negative 2. 8, 4 and 2, we get 14 with negative sign is equal to 0. Now we can write this as x cube plus x squared plus x minus 8 is 2 cube minus 4 is 2 squared minus 2 is equal to 0. Now rearranging x cube minus 2 cube plus x squared minus 2 squared, and this x minus 2 is equal to 0. For our simplicity, we will take the bracket. So now by using algebraic identity a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is the algebraic identity of a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared, and here plus a squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b, and the last one factor x minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we have x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared plus x plus 2 into x minus 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now take this x minus 2, which is common, so x minus 2, and inside this x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared we get 4 plus x plus 2 plus, we have taken it common, x minus 2, so here 1 is equal to 0. So now x minus 2 into x squared, here we have 2x plus x 3x, and 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x squared plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. So from this we get x is equal to 2. This is the second value of x, as we have found earlier that x is equal to 1, which we have said that x1, and this is x2. x2 is positive 2. And now this is a quadratic equation. We can solve this by quadratic formula. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 7. As the quadratic formula is for x negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. So substituting these values in this formula, x is equal to negative b negative 3 plus minus square root of b squared, b is 3 and 3 squared we get 9, minus 4ac, 4 multiplied by 1 4, and 4 sevens are 28. 2 multiplied by 1 we get 2. Now x is equal to minus 3 plus minus, here 9 minus 28 we get minus 19 divided by 2, and minus 3 plus minus, we will write this as 19 multiplied by minus 1, and after this by taking square root individually, 19 square root and into square root of negative 1 square root of negative 1, which is iota. So we will write this as 19 iota divided by 2. So from this we get two values of x. X is equal to minus 3 plus 19 square root iota divided by 2, and x is equal to minus 3 minus 19 square root iota divided by 2. and we have found earlier that x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, and this we will say x3 and x4. This x1 is 1 and x2 is 2, so here 1 and 2, these are the real solutions. And these x3 and x4 are the complex solutions for this problem. Thank you for watching.